Hello, Mrs. Ellie. Oh, she's an old girl having a look around to see what's happening. And let's see if we can... Okay. I'm not coming closer. Just relax, girl. I know, you're an old lady and I respect you. Yeah, I'm just want to say hello. We just come to say hello. We don't mean any harm. Other cars taking children away now around the termite mound. This is a granny. She's a really old girl. This doesn't have very big tusks, but that doesn't mean much. I'm just looking at other features of her that are an indicator of age. She's not a very tall or very large Ellie, but she's certainly the matriarch. And I guess she might not be a little bit happy because of the buffalo, or for whatever the reason may be. She's still not happy with it. Okay, hey. Okay, enough.